Today we are lifting the second of two locomotives. They are 363 plus thousand pounds and they're headed to Africa. Geographical location, the tonnage that the pier can hold here at JAXPORT all played big roles in having the locomotives come here. The rail runs extremely close to the edge of the pier. It makes it rather quick. All the guys that we have working out here today have all been through rigorous training. We are normally recognized whenever we do a lot of heavy lifts as one of the best on the East Coast.